Hello, long time no see. I'm popping in with something I'm really excited about. It's a brand new workshop I've been working on called Making Hands Work Together. This is the first time I'm doing something like this, and I think you're going to love it. So here's the thing, have you ever gotten one hand sounding just the way you want it, and the other one is doing great too, but when you try to play them together, they just refuse to be friends? Or maybe you felt like unless you memorize everything you learn, playing smoothly is just out of reach? If you've been playing the harp for a while, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And honestly, even if you're new to this, it might sneak up on you sooner than you'd expect. Trust me, it is a thing. In the workshop, we will dive into looking at how to deal with that frustrating hands talking, not talking to each other kind of thing, where to even start when you're learning a new piece, as well as strategies for getting your hands to cooperate, and how to learn in a way that sticks so you don't have to memorize everything. Unless that's what you want to do, and I will have some tips for that as well. If any of that sounds helpful, or if you've ever just shouted at your harp in a mild despair, then this workshop is for you. Just follow the link in the description so you can sign up and be the first to know when I announce the date and all the details. I hope to see you there!